So my dish has finally arrived. It smells delicious. I can just wait to dive into it. The smell is just making me want to eat it. Today we are here to try out Goa's best chicken kafriel at Florentine's Bar and Restaurant. Let's try it out. We're here with Hubert DeCosta, owner of Florentine Restaurant, and we're going to know more about the place and, of course, the tasty chicken kafriel.
Again, way back in 1985, where my dad, late Florencio DeCosta, actually took up the initiative of starting a restaurant. It was more of a run as a tavan by my grandparents back then. So my dad established the place on 13th of July, 1985 as Florentine. So since then, the journey of kafriel at Florentine began. So actually, it began, he used to work with the Mandavis. The recipe may be from there, but because they used to prepare kafriel there. So due credit has to be given to them as well. Being here, he established the kafriel as the sole ingredient, or you could say sole item on the menu. Yes, the chicken kafriel is like a Goan steak, you could say, or a local steak, you could say. So because it's served as a whole portion, it's not boneless; it's with bone. So it's
And
it's
you
been
start it with?
yes, and it's been a specialty over the years. So we have kept that as a specialty. If you go to see at every table without a kafriel, I think nobody will be going back. So I think that's what gets people here. We have tried to keep the taste, the consistency as same as possible.
So my dish has finally arrived. It smells delicious. I can just wait to dive into it. Think about the dishes. The kafriel, you can get it in half, and then if you further want a quarter, then they give you a quarter as well. So it's easier for you to consume, or if it's a half, then you can share it with whoever. So let's just dive in right now. Oh, not forgetting is this amazing kafriel gets paired with the Goan bread poi. So it's like 2 peas in a pod. Okay, wow, even the bread is hot. It's amazing. So I don't know if I can finish it all, but the smell is just making me want to eat it. So let's taste it. Okay, first I'm going to taste the gravy on its own just to see how it is. You know exactly how it is. It's amazing. Oh my god. I could have this every day. I mean, there's something about this taste. It's not spicy. It has the right amount of spice. It's so good on your palate. And it's like home. Just delicious. Has the right amount of everything. And I'm going to dig into the chicken. Look at this, guys. It's just there. The chicken is so tender, so nice, and very juicy. And always have to eat your veggies. To make your life easy, they chop the kafriel chicken into finer pieces, so it's easier for you to pick it. And do this. Exactly this, guys. The meat is so juicy, it just melts in your mouth. It's just divine. While you're having your delicious kafriel, so on request you get extra gravy to add some spice to your life. So in case you want to add something more, then and you feel it's less, then you can just add some more. So enjoy, guys. Yeah. Bye guys for now. I'm going to finish this and then I'm going to get back to you guys. Man, I am so full. Well, if you are looking to try out the chicken kafriel that I had, then head to Florentine in Saligaon. But remember, they are closed on Mondays. For more such content on food and travel, don't forget to follow Gomantak Times YouTube channel, your gateway to Goa.